Dear friends, today we will start a very important topic for pre-primary students. This video is about phonic sounds of letters. It will help your child to improve in reading. Let's start phonic sound. A says A, as in ant, apple, X. B says B, as in bat, bag, boy. C says K, as in cat, cap, cup. D says D, as in dog, doll, duck. E says E, as in egg, eye, elephant. F says F, as in fish, fox, fan. G says J, and G also says G, as in grapes, guitar, goat. H says H, as in hen, hat, hut. I says I, as in ice cream, and I also says E, as in igloo, ink pot. J says J, as in jug, jam, juice. K says K, as in king, key, kite. L says L, as in lion, lock, lamp. M says M, as in monkey, moon, mat. N says N, as in nest, nip, nose. O says O, as in owl, orange, octopus. P says P, as in parrot, pen, pigeon. Q is composed of two phonemes. It gives mixed sounds of K and W. So Q says Q, as in queen, quell, quilt. R says R, as in rose, rat, rabbit. S says S, as in snake, sun, snail. T says T, as in tiger, tree, turtle. U says A, as in umbrella, urn, umpire. V says V, as in van, vase, vegetable. W says W, as in watch, watermelon, wasp. X is composed of two phonemes. It gives mixed sounds of K and S. So X says X, and as in xylophone, X-ray, Xmas tree. Y says Y, as in yacht, yak, yarn. Z says Z, as in zebra, zoo, zip. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for notification.